Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, where we explore the most extraordinary homes in the world. Today's property is something truly special, a nearly $40 million custom-built estate located inside one of Southern California's most exclusive guard-gated communities. This is not your typical luxury spec home. This residence represents years of planning, precision, and craftsmanship. Homes at this level are not just built, they are engineered, curated, and perfected over time. And the difference becomes obvious the moment you arrive. From the very first approach, the scale of the property commands attention. The architecture feels bold yet timeless, blending modern design with materials chosen for both beauty and longevity. Clean lines, balanced proportions, and a carefully composed exterior immediately signal that this estate belongs to a completely different class of real estate. As we move through the entrance, notice how everything is designed to create a sense of arrival. The space opens dramatically, with soaring ceilings and natural light flooding the interior. At this level, volume is just as important as finishes. It's not only about what you see, it's about how the home makes you feel. The living areas showcase the core philosophy behind elite custom homes: restraint, elegance, and intentional design. Instead of overwhelming the space with unnecessary detail, the materials speak for themselves. Cream-toned surfaces create warmth, gray accents add sophistication, and carefully placed red highlights introduce energy and personality. This combination delivers a visual experience that feels luxurious yet modern. One of the most striking aspects of this home is how seamlessly indoor and outdoor spaces connect. Floor-to-ceiling glass invites natural light while framing the surrounding environment like artwork. Properties of this caliber are designed around lifestyle, entertaining, relaxing, and enjoying the Southern California climate year-round. The kitchen continues the theme of understated luxury. Every surface, every texture, every appliance has been selected with precision. This is not merely a functional space, it's a statement of design and craftsmanship. Clean geometry, premium materials, and subtle contrasts reinforce the estate's cohesive aesthetic. Moving into the dining area, you begin to understand how the home was designed for both intimate moments and large-scale entertaining. Lighting, proportions, and sightlines work together to create a setting that feels refined and cinematic. But what truly separates elite estates from conventional luxury homes is the amenities. At this level, convenience meets indulgence. Spaces dedicated to wellness, recreation, and leisure are no longer optional, they are expected. The gym, for example, reflects the same design language seen throughout the residence. Instead of feeling like an afterthought, it integrates seamlessly into the home's architectural vision. This consistency is one of the defining traits of custom-built properties. The bedrooms continue the narrative of comfort and sophistication. Large, light-filled, and meticulously finished, these spaces prioritize tranquility and privacy. High-end homes are designed to feel like retreats, offering a calm counterbalance to the outside world. In the bathrooms, spa-inspired design takes center stage. Premium stone, ambient lighting, and refined detailing transform everyday routines into elevated experiences. Luxury, at its highest level, is defined by how effortlessly a home enhances daily living. And then there's the garage, a feature that often becomes a showcase of lifestyle rather than simple storage. Clean lines, dramatic lighting, and automotive presentation combine to create an environment worthy of the vehicles it houses. Stepping outside, the property reveals yet another dimension of its design. The swimming pool, lounge areas, and entertainment spaces embody the Southern California dream. Every angle, every reflection, every texture contributes to a setting designed for both relaxation and spectacle. What makes a home like this remarkable is not just the price tag, it's the level of intention behind every decision. From structural engineering to aesthetic refinement, elite estates represent an entirely different approach to residential design. This is what happens when vision, resources, and patience converge over years of development. The result is not merely a house, but a fully realized architectural statement. Thank you for joining American Dream Mansions. If you enjoy exploring the world's most exceptional homes, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next tour.